Hello, good morning. Myself Kirtan Sangvi, working as an assistant professor in Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, LJ Institute of Pharmacy. LJ Institute of Pharmacy has taken a very new initiative, that is e-lecture series through our YouTube channel, that is Pharma Ignite. So today's topic is semester 3, subject is Organic Chemistry 2. The title of topic is Acidity of Phenol. I am requesting you all to please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Fine. So phenol are those molecules where hydroxyl group is directly attached with aromatic ring system. That is called as a phenol. Now when we talk about introductory aspect of phenol, we must have to learn two important points. Number one, hydroxyl group is directly attached with aromatic carbon and that carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon. Second important point is COH bond angle is 109 and of course the bond length, carbon oxygen bond length is 136 picometer. Now when we talk about acidity of phenol, so let's discuss first what we mean by acid. Acids are those molecules, generally we say, that release the proton in aqueous solution. But when we talk about the newer concept of acid, which is applicable to more specifically acidity of phenol and acidity of carboxylic acid, that is after release of proton, it is converted into its conjugate base. And definitely we have to talk about the stability of that conjugate base. If it is a stable, we can surely say that it is acidic. So some groups, some molecules which are acidic, as a result of release of proton, the conjugate base becomes more and more stable. So when we talk about the effect on stability of acidity, that is mainly four effects. Number one, resonance. Number two, hyperconjugation, and number three is of course inductive effect. These three effect stabilizes the conjugate base and hence it becomes more and more acidic. Let us see in case of phenol. Phenol is acidic because as it releases the proton, it is converted into phenolate ion, or you can say phenoxide ion, and hence we can say these phenoxide ions are stabilized through the resonating structures. Here I have mentioned both the structures, phenol, resonating structures of phenol, because OH group is electron releasing group. So of course it releases electron through the resonance. And again in next I have mentioned phenolate ion stability, because negatively charged ion as a part of the molecule, it is involving resonance inside the ring system. And more interesting part is the phenolate ion, that is conjugate base, it is more stable as compared to phenol. So molecules always involve stability. Here the conjugate base phenolate ions are more stable because both the structure in fact involves resonance. But why it is more stable? Because that negative charge is delocalized in the aromatic ring system and hence it is more stable. Fine. Now you just focus on those resonating structures. As far as phenolate ion is concerned, there is a negative charge in aromatic ring system. More specifically I say you please note down the position, because later on we will also discuss ortho meta para comparison. Fine. So negative charge is at ortho to both the ortho positions and one para position. Fine. So we can surely say that phenol is acidic. Next is, let we compare the acidity of phenol with alcohol, because alcohol again same functional group is involved, that is OH group, but that OH group is attached with alkyl group in case of alcohol. In case of phenol, OH group is attached with aromatic ring system. Fine. Let us compare with the alcohol. Again, if I say alcohol is acid, definitely it releases the proton and it is converted into ethoxide ion. Fine. After releasing proton, we have to check the stability of that conjugate base, I mean to say ethoxide ion. If ethoxide ion is stabilized through either resonance or inductive effect, or you can say hyperconjugation, of course it is acidic. But here what is the situation? We can surely say that looking to the structure of ethoxide ion, it is not involved in any kind of resonance first of all. Second thing is most important part is ethyl group is there. We all know very well alkyl groups are mild electron donating group. So here when we want to stabilize this negative charge, we must have to withdraw the electrons. So here alkyl groups are electron releasing group. So rather than stabilization of negative charge, it increases the intensity of negative charge on the oxygen. So what will happen? The molecule is not now stabilized. So if it is not stabilized, of course it is no more acidic. So when we compare the acidity of phenol with alcohol, always alcohols are less acidic as compared to phenol. Why? Both involves loss of proton, but in which cases conjugate base is more stable? Of course in case of alcohol, that is alkoxide ions are less stable. In case of phenol, phenoxide ions are more stable through the resonance. Moreover, alcohol is not involving resonance, and second important thing is it involves positive yani ki plus I effect. Fine. Next is very important, let we compare with carboxylic acid. Generally we say that carboxylic acids are acidic. Fine. Why they are acidic? Because releasing proton, it is converted into carboxylate ion, and that carboxyl ion, it is conjugate base. If it is a stable, of course we can say carboxylic acids are acidic. Now when we compare with phenol and carboxylic acid, what will happen here? Carboxylic acids also involved resonance. I mean to say resonating structures are definitely involved as far as carboxylate ion is concerned. And when we talk about phenol, again resonating structures are always there. So both involves the same effect. So now question arises, and you must have studied in second semester, that is more number of contributing structure, more will be the stability. So looking to the situations, we can surely say that phenolate ions are more stable because it involves 4 resonating structures. In case of carboxylate ion, there are only 2 resonating structures. Now, but the fact is a different one. Even though carboxylate ions, there are only 2 resonating structures, but it is more stable. Why it is more stable? Because we have to focus on the resonating structure. Here, in case of carboxylic acid, carboxylate ion, negative charge is on oxygen. You can see negative charge is on oxygen, and when we talk about resonating structure of phenolate ion, negative charge is on carbon. We all know very well, majority of organic chemistry concept are totally depends on electronegativity. Oxygen is more electronegative as compared to carbon. So oxygen bears negative charge easily, carbon not. So what will happen? Negative charge is on oxygen, being the electronegative element, that conjugate base, I mean to say carboxylate ion, is more stable. Of course phenoxide ions are stable, but when we have comparison, we can surely say that carboxylic acids are more acidic as compared to phenol. You must have studied in 12th standard, that is phenol is acidic undoubtedly, but it is not soluble in sodium bicarbonate, that is a weak base. In fact, in second semester you must have identified the unknown organic compounds. You must have compared the acidity of phenol with carboxylic acid practically, but now the concept is here theoretical concept. So what I mean to say, if you take phenol, it is not soluble. If it is a liquid, it is not miscible in case of miscible with sodium bicarbonate solution, and if it is a solid, it is not soluble in saturated solution of sodium bicarbonate. So it is generally considered as a weak acid as compared to carboxylic acid. How to represent acidity? We have the index, that is pKa value. Lower the pKa value, of course higher the acidity. Let's do. Now the next part is effect of substitute on acidity of phenol. As phenol is acidic, that we have discussed. Now which substituent as a part of second substituent should be incorporated so that it becomes more acidic or it becomes rather less acidic. So let we compare. We all know in organic chemistry there are mainly two types of organic functional groups. One is electron withdrawing group, another is electron donating group. Now when we talk about the ability of group, mainly two types, donating and withdrawing. You just focus on the resonating structures of phenol, phenoxide ion. Negative charge is on carbon. So ortho, meta, para, we have to incorporate those substituents which can easily withdraw that electron and hence stabilize the molecule. I mean to say conjugate base. I mean to say resonating structures. So of course the concept is very clear. When we say electron withdrawing group, always enhance the acidity of phenol. So ortho, meta, para, when we have electron withdrawing group, it always increase the acidity of phenol. And if I talk about electron donating group, such as a CH3 group, such as a NH2 group, para-aminophenol, we all know very well it is an amphoteric phenol. Amphoteric means what? It has an acidic group as well as it has a basic group. So the conclusion aspect if I discuss is electron withdrawing group on aromatic ring system always increases the acidity. That is a very important point. Same point I will discuss in acidity of carboxylic acids, and two frontline questions are asked in examination. If I talk about university examination, acidity of carboxylic acid, acidity of phenol. Majority of points are more or less same, my dear students, and hence I am putting some weightage. Okay, so let me talk about electron withdrawing group. I mean to say nitro. So nitro is electron withdrawing group. It increases the acidity of phenol. How? Because nitro group being an electron withdrawing group, it elicits two important effects. One is negative I effect. It means negative inductive effect. And number two is very important. That is it is also involving mesomeric effect, minus R effect, minus resonating effect, negative resonating effect. Fine. Now the thing is, if I compare the effect of substituents as far as nitro group is concerned, ortho, meta, para, we have three different positions. So let's we compare. Ortho is more acidic than meta than para. Let us see. Now as I mentioned, two important effects are there: inductive effect and resonance effect. Inductive effect always operate through the bond. So lesser the distance with phenoxide ion, I mean to say O minus ion, more the effect will be, and more the effect will be, of course more will be the stability. But if I talk about resonating effect, mesomeric effect, it involves only at ortho and para position. It is a more powerful effect. So we can surely say that ortho para disubstituted phenols are more acidic as compared to meta. Looking to the both the effect. So now ortho para substituent, ortho para nitrophenols are more acidic as compared to meta nitrophenol. Now there is a situation. Which one is more acidic? Which one is more having, because both the position have the group. I mean to say nitro group as at ortho or nitro group at para position. If I talk about inductive effect, so inductive effect always operates through the bond as I mentioned. So ortho position is little nearer as compared to para. So looking to the structures, we can surely say that ortho nitrophenol looks to be more acidic as compared to para, as compared to meta. But now the situation is little different. Here the situation is like this. Orthonitrophenol always involves intramolecular H bonding. So now if there is a hydrogen bond between nitro group and the hydrogen of the phenol, phenol is not releasing the proton. So it becomes less acidic. So by considering all the three factors, one thing is sure, paranitrophenol is more acidic as compared to ortho, as compared to meta. So overall acidic strength, if I say isomeric nitrophenol, paranitrophenol is more acidic than orthonitrophenol than metanitrophenol. As I discussed that electron donating group always decreases the acidity of phenol because those groups are electron releasing They intensify the negative charge on the aromatic ring system, and hence the resonating structure becomes less stable. Fine. Now, in exam, if they ask, you must have to represent this kind of resonating structures. It is necessary because you have to show that some of the resonating structures, position at ortho, position at nitro. Here I have mentioned two, and these are the resonating structures where electron donating group is there. Fine, no problem. Now, as I mentioned that acidic strength is always measured in form of a pKa value. So these are some substituted phenols, and pKa value I have mentioned. Many of time in exam they ask orthonitrophenol is having pKa value 7.2, whereas metanitrophenol is having pKa value 8.4. Justify the following statement. So it means metanitrophenol is less acidic as compared to orthonitrophenol. In fact, you also have to remember which effect are there. Which effect are there? It means plus M, yani ki plus mesomeric effect, minus I, it means negative inductive effect, and hyperconjugation I already mentioned. Fine. Now, frequently asked question, straight frontline question, that is right or not on acidity of phenol. Second one is more important, that is they ask the comment, phenol is more acidic as compared to alcohol, justify. Phenol is less acidic as compared to carboxylic acid, justify. Most important part is, remember one thing, electron withdrawing group always enhance the acidity of phenol. Fine. So these are frequently asked questions in university examination paper. So you have to learn. Fine. Now, thank you for watching. In next session, we will discuss about preparation of phenol and reactions of phenol. Thank you. Thank you.